Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share the recipe of sambar with you. Down south there are hundreds of varieties of sambar. Today I'm going to tell you the recipe for mixed vegetable sambar which can be had with rice and idli or dosa. Let's look at the ingredients. I have soaked a small lemon sized tamarind in water for about 20 to 25 minutes and extracted the juice. This is about 125 grams of cooked tur dal. For people who want to have sambar with dosa or idli, you can use moong dal instead of tur dal. These are the veggies I am using for sambar. Baby onion, beans, carrot, yellow pumpkin, one sliced tomato and a couple of slit green chilies. This is about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of homemade sambar powder. If you don't have homemade sambar powder, you can use store-bought sambar powder. Coriander leaves for garnishing. These are the items for tempering. About 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, 1 dried red chili and a sprig of curry leaves. We begin making sambar by first frying the baby onions. For people who don't have baby onion, you can use normal cubed onion. And for people who wish to have a non-onion sambar, you can start sauteing the other vegetables. Saute the onions for a couple of minutes. The onions have started changing their color. I'm getting a lovely fragrance. We'll add the other veggies. In go your yellow pumpkin, then go in your carrots, and finally your beans. Just saute them for about a minute or two. You can add veggies of your choice in sambar. For instance, if you don't have yellow pumpkin, you can add bottle gourd or lauki. You can even add capsicum. You can add brinjal if you like the flavor of brinjal. You can add drumstick. Veggies of your choice basically. Sauteed these vegetables for around a minute and a half. You can put in your tomatoes now. Saute your tomatoes till they start becoming mushy. After sauteing the vegetables for a couple of minutes, add a pinch of turmeric, salt which is required for the vegetables. Later on we'll be adding more, and also add in your sambar powder. Let the flavor of the spices mix well with your vegetables. I've added about 2 teaspoons of water so that the vegetables don't stick to the bottom of the pan and the masalas get well absorbed in the vegetables. When the vegetables cook for about half a minute to a minute, you can add your tamarind water now. See how colorful your sambar already looks. You have to let this boil for at least 15 to 20 minutes till the raw smell of the tamarind is gone. My sambar has been boiling nicely for about 15 minutes. The raw smell of tamarind is gone. The only smell I have now is of sambar. You can check for the vegetables. See, they're properly cooked. Now you can add your salt as will be needed for your sambar. I had already added slit green chilies while the sambar was boiling. And I had about half a sprig of curry leaves. It will enhance the flavor. And now goes in your dal. See how nicely I have mashed the dal. It should be really homogenized. You can do it with a ladle. You can add a little water and mash it with a ladle. Just get a nice mix. This is the stage you adjust the consistency of your sambar. Add water as required. If you're making sambar for having it idli or dosa, you can allow your sambar to be a little watery. You can add a little more water. Now after adding the cooked tur dal, we have to allow this to froth up a little. See, our sambar has been cooking for 5 minutes. It has frothed up nicely. This time we add our coriander leaves. We'll just allow this to be on flame for a couple of minutes. By the time we can prepare the tempering, I've taken 1 teaspoon of sesame oil or dill oil. First go in your mustard seeds. The seeds are already crackling. Next go in 1 by 4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi dana, 1 dried red chili, half a sprig of pinch of asafoetida. Just pour this over the sambar. And you're good to switch off your flame. That's mixed vegetable sambar for you guys, to be served with dosa, idli or even rice. If you find your sambar to be tangier than usual, what you can do is you can add half an inch of jaggery at the end. If you find that your sambar is a little less spicy than what you want, while you're doing the tempering, you can add in more red chilies. Please tell us how you liked our sambar recipe, guys, and please do subscribe to our channel.